Good morning, students. As we have finished the chapter 1 set and the relation of functions, relations and functions chapter 2, now we are going to start the third chapter, that will be our chapter number 6, linear inequalities. Okay, so two real numbers or two algebraic expressions, related by the symbol. In the lower classes you have studied less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, form an inequality. So two real numbers or algebraic expressions which are related by the symbol less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to form an inequality. Here 3 is less than 5, 7 is greater than 5. दोनों numbers हैं. Here there are numerics. Therefore it is known as numeric inequalities. One is variable and another is constant. X is less than 5, y is greater than 2, x is greater than or equal to 3, y is less than or equal to 4 are called literal inequalities. जिसमें एक वेरिएबल और एक कांस्टेंट रहे और वो दोनों रिलेटेड रहे इन चारों सिंबल से, किसी भी सिंबल से. So those type of inequalities are known as literal inequalities. Now some of the examples I am going to discuss. As you know that a linear equation in one variable general form is ax plus b equal to 0. But here this general form we are related with this symbols. That is less than 0, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus by less than c, linear equation two variable, ax plus by greater than c, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0. That is a quadratic equations general form. So here we can see, here there is only one symbol less than or greater, less than or greater. So this type of inequalities comes under strict inequalities, जहाँ पे एक ही सिंबल यूज हो रहा है, या तो लेस देन या तो ग्रेटर है. ये सभी इनइक्वालिटीज स्ट्रिक्ट इनइक्वालिटीज कहलाएंगी. इनइक्वालिटीज अगर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू या लेस देन और इक्वल टू रिलेशंस में आ रहे हैं एक्सप्रेशंस में, तो वो कहलाएंगे स्लैक इनइक्वालिटीज. You can see here ax plus b less than or equal to 0, ax plus b greater than or equal to 0, ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c, ax square plus bx plus c is greater than or equals to 0. So here two inequalities, less than भी आ रहा है, equal भी आ रहा है, greater than भी आ रहा है, equal भी आ रहा है. So this type comes under the slack inequalities. Now you can see 1, 2, 6 and 7. ये सभी ax plus b, ax plus b, ax plus b, it is only a one variable and its degree is 1, so it is a linear inequalities in one variable. You can see third one, fourth one and the 8th and 9th. This is the linear equation in two variables general form. So degree of x and y power is here 1. So these are the linear inequalities in two variables, 3, 4, 8 and 9. Now 5th and 10th, as you can see, this is the general form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So inequality number 5 and 10 comes under the quadratic inequalities when the coefficient of x square a should not be equal to 0. If the coefficient of x square suppose becomes equals to 0, then it will be converted into a linear inequality in one variable. Okay, so your condition is that for the inequality 5th and 10th to be quadratic, the value of the coefficient of x square, that is a, must not be equal to 0. These all notes you have to write down in your fair copy and go through it. Okay. Now let's come to the exercise 6.1. We are going to solve some of the inequalities. First, it is given 24x is less than 100 when x belongs to a natural number. First we will solve this inequality. x less than 100 upon 24, that is x less than 25 upon 6. 4 6 are 24, 4 25 are 100. It will be near about something 4 point something. X less than 4 point something. As x is belongs to a natural number, so we can't take negative numbers. Less than 425 by 6 means from minus infinity to on a number line up to 4 we can take. But here x denotes as a natural number and the negative numbers or 0 cannot be taken as a natural number. So its solution will start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can't take 5 because it is given less than 4.1. So this is our solution for when x is belonging to a natural number. Now the same equation when x is belonging to the integer. अगर x belong कर रहा है integer, same type of solution, but now x less than 25 by 6 means less than 4 point something, so it will be from minus infinity. मतलब माइनस नंबर में लेफ्ट साइड वाले नंबर लाइन के नंबर्स इंक्लूड होंगे माइनस इंफिनिटी से लेके इसलिए डैश 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 all the positive numbers are also integers, all the negative numbers are also integers, as well as 0 is also a integer. So as x here belongs to the integer, so our solution will be from minus infinity to 4. Now we come to question number 3. 5x minus 3 less than 7 where x belongs to integer. Z denotes for integer. So 5x transpose less than 7 plus 3, 5x less than 10, x is less than 10 by 5 2. So as x is belonging to the integers, so less than 2 means we will take up to 1, but all the left side numbers also we have to include from infinite minus infinity. So dash 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 will be the solutions for it. Now for the second, when x is belonging to R means real numbers. For real numbers, same x is less than 2, so all the integers are the real numbers. So from its solution will be also from minus. Negative numbers are also real numbers. 0 is also a real number. Positive numbers are also a real number. So its solution will be from minus infinity to 1, as here it is indicated that variable x is less than 2. Now let's come to the sum of the inequalities. We will solve it. Question number 7. Solve an inequality. 3 into x minus 1 less than or equals to 2 into x minus 3. We will open the bracket. 3x minus 3. 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 3 is the minus 6. Transpose it. 3x minus 2x minus 6 plus 3. X is less than or equals to minus 3. So up to minus 3 from the number line we start from minus infinity to minus 3. So minus infinity open interval and this one will be the closed interval as it is included. We have studied in the set chapter the intervals on a real numbers. So 3 is also included and less than 3, so therefore it comes here big bracket. Now it comes question number 11. फर्स्ट वी विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. लेफ्ट साइड वाले को लेफ्ट साइड पे ही रखना है, राइट साइड वाले टर्म को राइट साइड पे ही रखना है. इट इज नॉट इक्वल साइन हियर, इट इज ए इनइक्वालिटी साइन. सो 3 into 3 9, x minus 2 5 into 5 25, 2 minus x open the bracket, 9x minus 18 less than or equals to 25 into 15 minus 25x. Just transpose it. 9x plus 25x less than or equals to 50 plus 18. 34x less than equals to 68, x is less than equals to 2. So it is also less than equals to 2. So on a number line, this is 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to negative infinity. Here it is positive infinity. So this is minus infinity. So from minus is less than or equal to 2. यहाँ से less than or equals to 2 means we will include from minus infinity to less than or equal है इसके big bracket. So this is the solution. Now 12th question. 1 by 2 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than equals to 1 by 3 x minus 6. First we will solve the bracket. Take LCM. 3x plus 20 upon 5, 1 by 3x minus 6. Now this 3 cross multiplied, this 2 will be cross multiplied here. So this 5 also, 2 into 5, 10. So 3 into 3x plus 20 greater than equals to 10 into x plus 6. एक चीज का ध्यान रखिए, जो लेफ्ट साइड में टर्म है वो लेफ्ट साइड में रहना चाहिए, जो राइट साइड में राइट साइड में रहना चाहिए. 9x plus 60 greater than equals to 10x minus 60. Just transpose it and get the value. Here you can see both the variable as well as the constant. दोनों तरफ हमारे पास नेगेटिव साइन है. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन कैंसिलेशन नहीं करना है. We are going to multiply both the terms left and right side with minus sign. So minus into minus becomes plus, minus into minus it becomes plus. Because we want the value of a variable, this variable must be always in the positive case. So we have to multiply with minus sign to make it positive here. So positive x, here it becomes positive 120. Because we are multiplying here left side with minus, then we have to multiply right side also. So when we are multiplying with minus sign to make it positive, this inequality sign will reverse. अगर greater than equal to है तो less than equal to हो जाएगा, अगर less than or equal to है तो greater than or equal to हो जाएगा. If we are multiplying with minus sign then only. So x less than or equals to 120. So here also number line less than or equals to 120 starts from minus infinity to the value 120. 120 is included as it is greater than, less than or equals to here. Now question number 16. 2x minus 1 upon 3 greater than equals to 3x minus 2 upon 4 minus 2 minus x upon 5. So in the right side we can see here there are two brackets. First we will operate this by taking LCM. So 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x. Open the bracket. 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x. 15x plus 4x 19x minus 10 minus 8 minus 18 upon 20. Now this becomes in the right side single term after simplification of these two terms. Now we have to multiply. So 20 into 2x minus 1, that is 20 into 2 40x minus 20 into 1 minus 20. 3 into 19x 57x and 3 into 18 it becomes 54. Now just transpose it. 40x minus 57x and minus 20 transpose this side plus 20. It becomes minus 17x greater than or equals to minus 34. Here again comes the same condition that the variable term is getting negative. To make it positive, we have to multiply with minus sign. If we are multiplying minus sign to the left, we have to multiply minus to the right side also. So this inequality sign will be changed. So greater than equals से क्या हो जाएगा? Less than or equals to. So x is less than or equals to 2 हो गया. 34 multiplied by 17 2. So here also the number line up to 2 minus infinity से लेके 2 तक, क्योंकि इक्वल टू साइन भी है इसलिए बिग ब्रैकेट आएगा. अगर इक्वल साइन नहीं रहेगा तो स्मॉल ब्रैकेट आएगा. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द इनइक्वालिटीज फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 16 यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. मैंने इतने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिए हैं. बाकी इसी मेथड से आप अच्छे से समझ के बाकी जो क्वेश्चंस है एक्सरसाइज 6.1 में इनइक्वालिटीज यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. Now the question number 17 we have to solve the inequality and we have to represent it in the graph. Question number 17 and 18, 19 and 20 you have to do it by your own. I am solving here 17 and 18. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. In the similar fashion we will solve it as we have solved the previous inequalities. 3x minus 2x and 1 plus 2. 3x minus 2x x, 1 plus 2 3x is less than 3. It is here given only one inequality. It is a strict inequality. Whenever it comes a strict inequality, you have to just put a circle and don't make it dark. Only less than 3. 3 पे आप एक सर्कल बना देंगे. Less than 3 मतलब इसका सॉल्यूशन starts from minus infinity to up to 3, but 3 is not included. Less than 3. So 3 पे सर्कल बना देंगे. इस सर्कल का मतलब ये है कि 3 is not included. Less than 3 all the numbers are included. So we will not darken the circle. Now this is a simple you can make in your maths notebook. No need of solving graph copy also. 18th question, 5x minus 3 greater than or equals to 3x minus 5. Now 5x plus 3x greater than or equals to minus 5 plus 3, 2x is greater than or equals to minus 2, x is greater than or equals to minus 1. So now here two inequalities comes, greater than भी है और equal to भी है, तो ये आ गया आपका स्लैक इनइक्वालिटीज में, जिसमें ग्रेटर देन भी है और इक्वल भी है. मींस वी हैव टू इंक्लूड दिस -1 आल्सो, और -1 से जितने बड़े नंबर है उसे भी इंक्लूड करना है. सो व्हाट विल डू ऑन ए नंबर लाइन, -1 we will put a one circle and that circle here we will dark it. यहाँ सर्कल डार्क नहीं हुआ मतलब 3 इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, यहाँ सर्कल डार्क हुआ है मतलब 1 -1 is included, and up to the plus infinity all this line will be, complete line will be darkened. So that is the graphical representation of the solution of the inequalities. Now the question number 21 is that Ravi obtained marks for the first test 70 and the second test 75. What will be the mark for the third unit test of Ravi, so that its average must be at least of 60 marks. At least मतलब कम से कम 60 मार्क्स, कम से कम 60 या 60 से ज्यादा 100 तक भी हो सकता है. इसलिए एवरेज ऑफ 3 1 2 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3, average sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. At least मतलब 60 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, 60 या 60 से ज्यादा मतलब greater than or equal to 60. Now 70 plus 75 145 plus x, this cross multiply 180, x is now 180 minus 145, transpose this 145 towards the right, so x is greater than or equals to 35. That is our थर्ड टेस्ट मार्क. मतलब मिनिमम उसको 35 मार्क्स मिलना चाहिए 60% लाने के लिए, या 35 से ज्यादा मिलना चाहिए 60% से ज्यादा लाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट 23rd क्वेश्चन, let the consecutive odd integer, there are two consecutive odd integers. So consecutive odd integers, if there is even integer or odd integer, the difference between the even or odd integer is always 2. So first integer if we are taking as x, so second integer will have x plus 2, and each of these integer is given in the question that they are less than 10. So पहला integer x less than 10, दूसरा integer x plus 2 less than 10, और sum of both the integers is more than 11. So इन दोनों का sum x plus 2 more than बोला है तो greater than 11. So x less than 10 already solved है, x 10 minus 2 करेंगे less than 8, ये solve हो गया second inequality. उसके बाद यहाँ 2x plus 11 minus 2 कितना हो गया 9. Here it is already solved. As such we will write down x less than 10, x less than 8, and x is greater than 9 by 2 मतलब 4.5. So x greater than 4.5 and less than 8 भी होना चाहिए. तो all integers जो greater than आपका 4.5 और लेस देन 8 होंगे, तो ग्रेटर देन 4.5 एक और इंटीजर आ जाएगा 5, और लेस देन 8 में एक और इंटीजर आ जाएगा 7. तो 5 और 7 मतलब ग्रेटर देन 4.5 फर्स्ट और इंटीजर विल बी 5 एंड लेस देन 8 मींस पहला कंडीशन का लेस देन 8, तो सेकंड और इंटीजर आ जाएगा 7. लेकिन ये दो और इंटीजर्स मिल गए 5 और 7, लेकिन हमको पेयर निकालना है. तो पहला अगर 5 मानते हैं तो एक 5 हो जाएगा और एक 5 plus 2 7. तो पहला पेयर हो गया 5 7, अगर दूसरा ले रहे हैं 7 तो 7 और 7 plus 2 9. तो दूसरा ऑर्डर पेयर हो गया आपका, सॉरी हियर इट विल बी 7 ले रहे हैं 5 ले रहे हैं तो 5 plus 2 7, 7 ले रहे हैं तो 7 plus 2 9. तो हमारे पास दो ऑर्डर पेयर्स बनते हैं 5 7 and 7 9. Listen once again, two consecutive odd integers or even integers always differ by 2. So one is x, another is x plus 2. Both of them is less than 10. X is less than 10, x plus 2 is less than 10, and the sum of these two integers is greater than 11. So x plus 2 is greater than 11. This is already simplified. X less than 10. इसको ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे 10 minus 2, x is less than 8, and this 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. And x less than 10 simplified, x is greater than 9/2 that is 4.5. So x greater than 4.5 मतलब पहला पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर आएगा 5 और लेस देन 8 में नेक्स्ट वाला पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर आएगा 7. तो 5 और 7 दो ऑड इंटीजर्स हैं जो इस कंडीशन को लागू फॉलो करते हैं. सो पेयर से हो जाएंगे, एक अगर 5 है तो दूसरा पेयर का इसका क्या बन जाएगा 7 और एक नेक्स्ट 7 ले रहे हैं तो 7 + 2 9. So two ordered pairs will be here 5 7 and 7 9. Now here comes the question number 25. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side and third side is 2 cm shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of a triangle is at least 61 cm, find the minimum length of the shortest side. So according to question, let us assume that the shortest side is x centimeter and the longest side is 3 times the shortest side. Shortest side is x and the longest side according to question is 3 times of the shortest side. So it will become 3x. And the third side is 2 cm shorter than the longest side. And the longest side is 3x. And the third side is 2 cm shorter than the longest side. So 3x minus 2. And the perimeter is given that is at least 61, at least मतलब greater than or equal to, कम से कम 61 या 61 से ज़्यादा. So perimeter of a triangle greater than or equal to 61 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle means sum of all the 3 sides of a triangle. First side, second side, third side. So x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 61. When we solve this inequality, we get x greater than or equals to 9. Therefore, the minimum length of the shortest side will be, इसका minimum length क्या होगा 9, क्योंकि 9 से greater तो है, x is greater than 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, infinite तक प्लस infinite तक चल जाएगा. लेकिन minimum length क्या ले सकते हैं अपन, x equals to 9. So therefore, the minimum length of the shortest side will be x is equals to 9 centimeter. So here we complete our the exercise 6.1. All these questions and the concepts whichever I have given you in the starting of this chapter, all things you have to write down in your maths fair copy. Rest of the questions you have to solve it by your own. And in the next class, we will be doing graphical solutions of the linear inequalities in 2 variables. That for that we require a graph copy. You must purchase one big graph copy. So that in the next video I will explain you how to make the graph of the inequalities. Okay, thank you.